Sir, Chairman sir, for nearly 2 years, Manipur has been burning and the government has totally failed in stopping the violence. वहाँ पर इतना वायलेंस हो रहा है और गवर्नमेंट फेल हो गई है वो वायलेंस को स्टॉप करने के लिए। और दूसरी चीज मैं आपसे बताना चाहता हूं कि वहां पर मोर देन 260 पीपल हैव बीन किल्ड, 260 लोग मारे गए, over 60,000 people displaced and thousands of homes, businesses, religious sites destroyed. Families have been torn apart, yet the BJP government watched in silence as the state descended into chaos. More than 4,700 homes have been burned and over 13,000 structures, including schools, hospitals, and places of worship, have been destroyed. Between May 3 and July 30, 2023, over 3,000 FIRs were registered related to rape, sexual violence against women, murder, loot, and erosion. The internet was shut down for 212 days, the longest blackout in Indian history. Sir, state armories were looted in broad daylight. Sophisticated weapons like AK-47s, mortars, and rocket launchers were stolen in the police station and also the armories. Sir, this situation is there, and I'm surprised. Home Minister 1 or 2 times he might have gone to set right politically what disability was there. So that's why Manipur economy has collapsed and business are settling down. GST collection has fallen and retail inflation has surged, making life unbearable for ordinary citizens. The state saw horrifying incident. Sir, अगर आप चले गए, हमारा पूरा जोश चले जाएगा।
तो सर, मेरे आने से जोश कब खत्म हो गया?
नहीं, आपका फिक्स है ना सब। आप एक बार वहाँ बैठे हैं तो उधर ही देखते हैं।
नहीं सर, मैं आपको नहीं देखता।
ये प्रॉब्लम है, नहीं तो मेरा कुछ कोई भी बैठ सकते हैं।
ये आपका विचार पक्षपातपूर्ण भरा है।
मेरे साथ बैठते हैं, लेकिन बटन दबाते वक्त यस के तरफ भी बढ़ते। सर, the state saw horrifying incident of sexual violence, yet BJP remained silent. Even after national outrage, no decisive action was taken. The Chief Minister should have taken moral responsibility and resigned on the first day itself. BJP was working to save Prime Minister Modi ji and not Manipur. So they refused to go there. The Prime Minister particularly did not go there. Why? What is the reason? Well, the entire Manipur is burning, rapes were taking place, sexual harassment, houses were burned, but in spite of that, Modi ji did not go there. He might have gone a number of foreign countries during that period, but he did not step in Manipur. Why? It means that you don't have any interest to protect Manipur people. That's why the Manipur people have rejected you, and 2 MPs have come from Congress party. That's why, sir, I am telling you One should not neglect like this. You claim that you are ruling well and government is well governed. These are your words. When Rahul Gandhi ji has visited Manipur twice, even starting his Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra from the state, while BJP leaders ignored the people's suffering, Rahul Gandhi met victims, visited relief camps, and listened to all sections of the society, and delegation of opposition MPs from both houses also visited the state. Supreme Court judge also visited, many other NGOs are also visited, but not Modi ji, not Prime Minister. इनको फुर्सत नहीं है ना भाई, तो फुर्सत नहीं है और उन्होंने जहां डिफिकल्टी होती है वहां कभी शाह साहब को भेजते हैं, कभी किरण रिजिजू जी को भेजते हैं और किसी और को भेजते हैं जिनके पास निर्णय लेने का कोई पावर नहीं है और खुद ये काम कर सकते थे और इस क्रिटिसिज्म से बच सकते थे, बट ही डिड नॉट डू दैट. सर, मीनवाइल मोदी जी remains absent for nearly 2 years now, refusing to acknowledge ground reality. People of Manipur have lost trust in Prime Minister Modi ji and his state government. BJP lost both Lok Sabha seats in the state. The people trusted Congress party and its candidates to lead them in parliament. BJP has no plan for peace. Instead of engaging with all stakeholders and addressing their grievances, they have allowed the conflict to deepen. Their incompetence has pushed people further apart rather than bringing them together. They failed to bring people together, convince them, and bring peace. Till today, it is also going on. Till today, it is also going on. You may not agree. You can, हम ठोक दिए, हम नक्सलाइट को मार दिए, और यहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं आप? कम से कम पीस तो लाओ. वो तो काम कर दिए, लेकिन उसके लिए उन्होंने मन नहीं बनाया. Despite the violence, the Prime Minister has never visited. Again and again, I am telling Manipur, he has had time for election rallies across India, but not a single visit to states suffering from conflict. Election के वक्त तो सब जगह गए, वहां नहीं गए. और दूसरे जितने भी मंदिर है, मस्जिद है, सब जगह गए. लेकिन मणिपुर के लोग जो सफर हो रहे थे, who were suffering, who were crying for peace, who were dying, schools were closed. At least he might have given some time to visit that place. So to bring peace, he failed in that. Therefore, I demand inquiry and also let them put a white paper on the table so that who is responsible for that and whether it is the fault of the state government or no support is given from central government or it is merely a politics. That will come out if you inquire and submit a white paper in the House. Everybody will know what is going still in Manipur. Sir, this is the BJP's version of governance, abandoning people in their time of need. When people need your help, you are not there. When they wanted, they were crying for food. They were crying for unity, but you never responded for them. Houses were burning, you never responded. And many military, border security force also, they entered and many police atrocities were also taken place. But many things were suppressed. Therefore, I think their slogan is one: minimum government, maximum governance. This is the governance. This is the governance. A small state, you could not manage. You are afraid of visiting that spot. This shows that the Prime Minister is afraid of going there, and it shows the cowardness of the Prime Minister. Why? I'm asking. You show that we can control everything. Why you are not controlling Manipur? So again, I say, BJP's incompetence forced them to impose president rule, despite having 55 MLAs in the assembly. Majority, but huge majority. Why? You have not controlled. Why? The party that claimed to offer a double-engine government has admitted its failure by putting the state under president rule. Why you have put? Means you are incapable to rule. Otherwise, this president rule you could not have put. Therefore, the opposition parties had planned for no confidence motion, fearing defeat. BJP imposed a president rule. We could have brought, अगर आप प्रेसिडेंट रूल नहीं करते तो वहां पर एक नो कॉन्फिडेंस मोशन भी आता था अल्टरनेटिवली. लेकिन आज हुआ क्या है? प्रेसिडेंट रूल्स was not imposed for people of Manipur. It was not imposed for safety and security of Manipur. It is a political game. It is to save their party. It is to save in future in the election. They wanted to use everything and again they want to come back. But this will not happen because people have shown already a result and Congress party won 2 MPs from the same place. That is the eye-opener for you. Sir, President's rule has been imposed for safety and security and Prime Minister Modi's image. It was imposed because the MLAs in the state revolted against the Chief Minister. He was forced to resign. Prime Minister and Home Minister never wanted him to resign. They didn't want that Chief Minister to resign. Somehow he should continue. They tried their best. When situation was out of control, then they took this system. So having huge majority, you have got central government, you have got full MLAs there. Why you have imposed this? Is it a democratic way? Then whatever we say, then you go, आपने इतने सब ये किए थे, आपके जमाने में इतने president rule लाए थे. Is it the answer? How many years you will tell like that? I want to ask, is it the answer? Is it your work? Tell what is your responsibility? That you must explain to the people of Manipur and particularly Northeast area. Sir, secondly, the BJP's double-engine government has completely failed in Manipur. They promised stability, but instead they have delivered bloodshed, division and economic collapse. In conclusion, sir, I would like to say 2 things. First, I would urge the Prime Minister to intervene, help the poor people of Manipur. Visit Manipur and give a statement in this house. He never comes to this house. As if this house is untouchable house. Prime Minister never visited in this session except 15 minutes, and that too somebody, some other state minister answered on this. Is it how you are treating this house? And is it a democratic method? You talk lot of things to safeguard the constitution, safeguard the principles of constitution, but you are not going to, you are not acting according to that. Therefore, I would urge the Prime Minister to intervene, visit Manipur, meet the affected people and give out a message for peace. When one of our state is burning under your rule, you cannot be bystander. You must go to the ground. And what I feel and what the entire country feels is that there is no strategy and long-term policy with respect to Manipur. It seems like every day there is a new experiment that is put into action. I will end my speech by saying that this House must send out a message of peace for the people of Manipur. The entire country stands with the people of Manipur. It is time that we all must come together for Manipur's future, for peace and betterment. Therefore, I ask the government why you are hesitating to visit Manipur, solve their problems, and mostly I can say that at least once Prime Minister should come here and give explanation why he did not give. No, why he did not go, why he did not visit. What is his problem? If any Jadugar has told that not to visit, if you visit, then you will lose power because somehow you would have got 30 MPs more than naturally, as it is your government is now NDA. Earlier you say Modi government, Modi government. Now it is not a Modi government.
Thank you, sir.
Now it is a NDA government.
Thank you.
Therefore I request you, ask, sir, you direct, or at least हमारे अमित शाह साहब आप बोलिए एक बार विजिट करने के लिए, आपकी बात बहुत सुनते हैं ना, आप बोलिए साहब, आप अगर विजिट करेंगे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होते हैं.